TechnoGimp. Back to 1800. Teach. Back to 1800. Software demo. Learners make a photo look old using sepia toning in GIMP. List of topics. Use Desaturate to make photos look old. Materials. Computer. TechnoGimp workbook, pages 91 to 92. Have you seen an old photo of your family or relatives? Desaturated sepia. Sepia is a soft brown tint mostly seen in old photos. The tint is caused by a chemical process applied in a dark room to prevent the image from fading for preservation. Open the image file, bahaykubo.jpg. To apply sepia, go to the menu bar and click on Colors, Desaturate, Sepia. In the sepia dialog box that will appear, make the adjustments to achieve the sepia effect. You can uncheck the sRGB checkbox to process the image using linear color space. You can also adjust the strength of the sepia effect using the effect strength slider. In the example, the effect strength was decreased. Click on OK to apply the changes. Processing questions. Do you have images that you want to convert to sepia? Check your understanding. Similar to converting an image to grayscale, with the right composition and subject, desaturating a digital image to sepia can result in an amazing and stunning image that goes well with the story you want to tell.